Welcome to AI Business Autopilot. Today we're building a quote-to-cash autopilot from proposal to contract, invoice, payment, and the follow-ups that make cash predictable. If Q2C feels messy, you're not alone. World Commerce and Contracting cites an IACCM estimate that organizations lose around 9% of anticipated value from contracting pitfalls. An autopilot fixes the repeatable work with clear guardrails and systematic follow-ups, so deals turn into cash without manual chasing. Let's align on the flow. Quote to cash is the end-to-end path from quote or proposal to final payment collection. The autopilot automates repeatable work, like generating documents and sending reminders, and escalates edge cases with the context a human needs to decide fast. A real autopilot is more than an AI chat window. You need triggers, orchestration that handles approvals and retries, an AI agent that can draft and extract information, integrations to systems that transact, shared data so it stays grounded, and guardrails for privacy and risk. Stage 1 is proposals. The autopilot pulls deal context from your CRM, picks the right template, drafts scope and an ROI summary, validates pricing rules, and routes approvals only when an exception is triggered. The output is a ready-to-sign proposal that's versioned, tracked, and easy for the customer to say yes to. Stage 2 is contracting. The autopilot generates a contract from the approved quote, inserts the right clause set, summarizes customer red lines, and suggests responses based on your playbooks. When edits fall outside policy, it escalates with context. And once final, it pushes the agreement to e-sign and stores the executed copy automatically. Stage 3 is invoicing. As soon as the contract is executed, the autopilot extracts billing terms, validates required fields like PO and billing contact, matches line items to the approved quote, and creates the invoice in your accounting system. Customers receive a clean invoice with a payment link and an easy dispute path, reducing back and forth and delays. Stage 4 is payment. The autopilot reduces friction with a self-serve portal, clear payment links, and multiple methods like ACH or card. Once funds arrive, it automatically reconciles payment to invoice, posts to accounting, updates the CRM stage, and notifies the right stakeholders. That's how you get real-time revenue visibility. Stage 5 is follow-ups, where cash gets real. The strong dunning sequence is consistent and escalating. With clear stop rules, the autopilot personalizes the tone, includes the payment link every time, and gives customers a simple way to confirm a payment date or open a dispute. That keeps reminders helpful, not spammy. To prove impact, track a handful of KPIs end-to-end: quote-to-sign cycle time, negotiation loops, invoice accuracy, and DSO, the average days it takes to collect. A simple reporting trick is to index baseline to 100. Then show how automation reduces cycle time, errors, and manual touches over time. A clean rollout is 30, 60, 90. In the first month, standardize templates and guardrails, and make sure IDs and data sync are solid. In the second month, automate proposals, approvals, and contracting. Then, generate invoices from executed terms. In month 3, automate collections with payment links, dunning sequences, and a dispute workflow. You don't need a complicated stack on day 1. Start with what you already use, then layer in automation around the critical handoffs. As you scale, introduce dedicated CPQ and CLM, and tighten ERP and payments integration. The best stack is the one your teams will adopt, with shared IDs, webhooks, retries, and audit logs. To wrap up, start with one segment, define guardrails, connect IDs from deal to payment, automate follow-ups, and measure the KPI impact. If you want more practical automation blueprints, subscribe to AI Business Autopilot, and I'll see you in the next one.